So how can you improve the results you're getting from your automotive advertising campaign? Well, tip number one, don't be a kook. You know, kooks are everywhere. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why you don't want to be one, especially when it comes to your advertising campaign. So let's get started. Now, when it comes to surfing, which is where the term kook actually came from, kooks are really easy to spot. You know, they wear all the branded board shorts, they know all the buzzwords, and they call everyone dude. Oh, no harm yet. But when they enter the water, it's a totally different story. Kooks can single-handedly turn a picture-perfect day into every surfer's worst nightmare. Need a few examples? Well, they drop in on the guy who is clearly already on the wave. They will block your takeoff spot, keeping you from what could have been the wave of the day. And worse yet, they will ding your one-of-a-kind, custom-made surfboard and then disappear from sight. Now, we've all encountered kooks in everyday life too. How about the driver who lays on the horn the second the light goes green? How about the person behind you at the checkout counter who thinks shoving the cart into your backside will help speed things up? Or the colleague in the staff meeting who has all the great ideas, dominates the entire conversation, but refuses to grant anyone a few seconds to share their ideas? And what about automotive advertising? Well, the kooks are the ones who make a public spectacle of themselves and then ruin the reputation of the industry for the rest of us. You know who you are, Mr. Giant Pickle Guy, who guarantees credit acceptance for everyone, even if you just filed bankruptcy yesterday. Or how about you, Miss I'm so overstocked, I'm willing to give you $4,000 more than your crappy car is even worth, so I can lose a ton of money, but get you into a car. I'm that desperate, and I'm that overstocked. And the person I'm convinced caused the fallout from local radio listenership, Mr. I have to yell at the top of my lungs so you can hear my completely asinine offer of 2,000% trade-in allowances with absolutely no money down. Did you hear me? I don't think you did, so I'm going to say it again. No money down and 2,000% more for your trade-in. These are the kooks of the automotive marketing landscape. Now, I've heard all the arguments and read the books from all the so-called automotive marketing gurus who strongly encourage this behavior. Main reason they claim, you need to be different. True enough, you do need to be different. You need to have a unique identity. You need to be different. Now, I believe you can be different, and you can stand out from the crowd without damaging your and the entire industry's reputation. Now, is it hard work finding that place of uniqueness? Yes, it is. Is it worth the effort? Absolutely. So my final word of advice, whatever you do, whether it's in life, at your dealership, and especially when you're at the beach, don't be a kook. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful as you work to craft your automotive advertising program. If you did find it helpful, please consider subscribing and feel free to share any comments or questions that you have. And I look forward to seeing you next time.